Welcome to Trolak's Amazing Anawangin Adventure! Together with Honey, I'm AJ,
JP,
I'm Che, Leia,
And Nigel at your service.
Wow! Finally, we have reached the top ng Anawangin Cove Island. We arrived here 6 a.m. and then we went to Capones Island para mag-island hopping. So guys, anong masasabi nyo, AJ?
Super saya. Alam mo, one day pa lang to ha, may bukas pa. So, we don't know what to expect.
tama. At abangan nyo pa ang susunod naming adventure. Isa ito sa pinakamagandang adventure na ginawa ng Trolac.
I'm so proud! Grabe, saya!
Yes, this is yet the best Trolak's adventure and most challenging. Sana may susunod pa.
Tama, yung susunod pa nga talaga, it's worth it kahit nakakapagod, napakasaya.
We are so proud of ourselves kasi ito yung first time na nag-trekking kami. Super grabe
Yes.
talaga. As
Correct.
in, very challenging. And yet, proud kami sa sarili namin dahil naabot namin yung tuktok.
30
Ayan.
minutes.
Ayan.
Nakachinelas lang.
30 minutes lang.
It's 5 p.m. here.
Ayan. Because we know that
It's
more fun